Hello, welcome again. We are solving mechanical engineering paper 2 of year 2025 of civil services main exam. Question number 1 is a 120 watt electric bulb has a filament temperature of 3005 degrees Celsius. Assuming filament to be black, calculate 1. The diameter of the filament wire if the length is 250 mm. 2. The efficiency of the bulb based on visible radiation. If visible radiation lies in the wavelength range from zero point 0.4 micrometer to 0.75 micrometer. Assume Stephen Boltzmann law, Boltzmann constant sigma as 5.67 10 to minus 8 watt per meter square per Kelvin force. The black radiation functions are given in the table. So this is lambda T and this is black body radiation function. So here it is given that the temperature of the filament is 3005 degrees Celsius or 3278 Kelvin, and power of the bulb is 120 watt. So energy emitted by the bulb is sigma 8 T4, that is equal to 120 watt. And A is area of the filament which is emitting the light, so that is pi dl, considering d in mm and l in mm, we will divide it by 1000 and here are 2000 because sigma is here 5.67 into 10 minus 8 watt per meter square per Kelvin. Okay, and temperature is 3278. So now length is given as 250 mm, and we can find out d putting this value. So d will come out as 0.032 mm. Okay, so that is the answer to first question. So now the visible spectrum is between zero point 0.4 micrometer to 0.75 micrometer. So lambda t according to zero point 0.4 micrometer is C2 C11.2, and lambda t corresponding to 0.75, it is 2458.5. Now from the table we can see that corresponding to 1300 this value is there, and corresponding to 2400 this value is there. So approximately these are the same values because here it makes very small difference. So we will take the values as it is. Here we need the value corresponding to lambda t as 1311.2, and we have according to 1300, so we will take the value according to 1300, and here we have value according to 2458.5. We need the value corresponding to 2458.5, but we have according to 2400. We can perform interpolation also, but these are the large differences, so we can take the value as it. So f 0 lambda is 0.140266. Okay, so f for the visible spectrum comes out as, so it is between this, so this minus this will be a f from radiation function of visible spectrum is 0.135949. So visible radiation power will be a f into sigma into a into T4. So totally this visible part is multiplied by f. So efficiency of the bulb is visible radiation power divided by total power, that is f, so that is 0.1359 or 13.59 watt.